It really starts to hurt after a while. You know, you don't know.
I do.
I'm done now. Stop recording it.
Stop it. It's got hiccups. Stop.
I can't help it.
Hello.
Can we leave, please? Can we please? I need to pay. Sure. It's not good. It's not good.
Just stop being naughty.
Can we please leave? I feel like we're disturbing people. To pay.
What's wrong with you?
It's because I didn't eat my pizza. It's on a straw.
That's exactly what you think it is.
Doesn't know me what I've had, it doesn't know me how much food she wastes.
Do you want sugar?
No,
No, we don't want to be fat.
I don't even know.
Often, when she doesn't finish a pizza at home, we have it the next day, so it's not
Well,
wasted.
I don't eat my potato wedges. You scoff and be like, don't you?
Because you don't want them.
No,
Eat
because
half
they
of
come
them
with the,
and then leave it.
they come with the meal.
And do
deal.
you eat them every time?
Yes.
Well then. Are people looking
Someone
at
has to eat them because you leave them.
me? Shut up.
They come with the meal deal.
Does she eat them after? No.
She eats the pizza that's left. For goodness sake.
Not impressed. She's not impressed.
Have a drink of lemonade.
Not wine.
It starts to hurt. Yes, thank you.
Is it gone?
That's what we're going.
Can I stop recording now?
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Does that mean it stopped?
I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him.
Go on then, you'll finish the job half.
Sure.
He's so grumpy.
Only half finished the job. Do you want a bit?
I don't know where he gets it from.
No, I don't know.
Can we please leave?
I'm pretty sure wine yet.
Can I stand outside and get some fresh air?
I think he's tired.
Oh, someone's
Is
tired.
he overtired?
Are
Overtired.
you overtired?
Edward, don't think about it.
Aww.
Don't touch me. I will
Do you
hit
need
you.
a
I will hit
cuddle?
you.
No, don't hit anyone.
Touch me.
It's a bit grumpy.
Is he overtired?
I think he's grumpy.
Hello. Stop.
I think he needs to sleep.
Stop that. He was tired at 4 o'clock.
Don't touch me. You don't know you're halfway.
I'm not happy.
He's kind of replying to you.
Yeah. Can we please leave?
Ask for the bill.
Okay. Stop it.
Keep your mouth
You
shut.
Shut your mouth.
Just keep your mouth shut and hold your nose. Little stop.
Ella, stop it.
You gotta keep hold. You can't open.
I couldn't breathe. I couldn't breathe. Can I keep breathing through it? Oh!
No, just shut your mouth. Shut your mouth.
You know everything. McKenna. Awful.
You need to shock her.
What?
I want to punch in the face, that was shocking.
Is that for hiccups?
Yeah.
Or a nosebleed? You need to shock her.
Don't break my nose.
He loves you. He loves you.
What?
Stop it.
Shut up. It would.
Is it hurting you?
He's so tired. He's so tired.
He's overtired.
He's overtired. Do you need a nap?
Don't touch you.
He needs a
Keep
nap.
your hands to
Give you a
yourself.
boner, I don't care else.
You give me a boner.
Yeah,
What did you say?
I'll give you a boner.
What?
Just keep your hands to yourself.